Hello everyone. Today, take the Siemens TIA Portal software platform as an example. Describe the functions of the Solidot stepper driver module XB6-DS521K and configuration applications. Solid XB6-DS521K, it is a single-axis open-loop insert stepper driver module. Two-phase hybrid stepper motor can be directly driven. The module supports the connection of differential incremental encoders, detecting suboptimal positions, comes with 4 general-purpose DO outputs, 7 universal DI inputs. The output channel supports multiplexing as a break output. Device error output. Output interface in place. The 7 input channels are positive limits, negative limit, origin, break, and 3 normal inputs. The XB6-DS521K supports 5 sport modes: absolute position mode, relative position mode, speed mode, jog mode, zero back mode. Compared to conventional bus or pulse stepper drivers, Solid XB6-DS521K, through the interblade structure, flexible access to Profinet, EtherCAT, CC-Link IE Field Basic, and it can be paired with Solid.Rich Chip I/O. Provide a full set of solutions for various complex application scenarios. Below, we use the XB6-DS521K with a Profinet coupler. Connect a Siemens S7-1200 to drive the spindle slide. Connect to the power supply of the motor. Access the field side power supply of the module, plugged into motor positive poles A, negative poles A, positive poles B, negative poles B. Access positive limit, negative limit, origin, and the COM side. Open the TIA Portal V17 software, new project. Click Configure Equipment, click Add New Device, select the PLC model currently in use, click Add. Click the navigation tree on the left, Online Access, Update Accessible Devices, Updated Complete, Displays Connected Slave Devices, select Options in the menu bar, Managing Generic Station Profiles, GSDML. Click Source Path to select the file. Double-click Devices and Networks in the left navigation bar. Click the vertical button of Hardware Catalog on the right, select Other Ethernet Devices. Drag or double-click XB6PN0002 to Network View. Click Unassigned blue font on the slave device. Click the device name. Rename the device. Switch to Network View. Right-click on the connecting wires of the PLC and coupler. Select Assign Device Name. The Assign Profinet Device Name window pops up. Click Update List. Click Assign Name. Check the MAC address on the coupler's silkscreen. Whether the MAC address is the same as the assigned device name, reachable nodes in the network, whether the status of the node is OK. Double-click XB6PN002. Select Module Pulse I/O XB521K. Select the PLC in Network View. Click the Download button in the menu bar. Download the current configuration to the PLC. In the pop-up Download Extended to Device interface, click the Start Search button. Click Download. Select Continue without sync. Stop all. Click Load. Click Finish. After completing the loading, power the device back on. Click the Go Online button. The icons are all green, which means that the connection is successful. Double-click XB6PN002. Locate the starting addresses of the input and output of the XB6-DS521K. Reference document PNXB6-DS521K Variable Address Calculator V1.1. Edit variable address. The absolute position pattern is demonstrated below. First, go to the Configuration Parameters page. Set according to the actual motor parameters. Here we set the operating current to 1A. The quiescent current is set to 0.5 ACFs. The subdivision is set to 256 subdivisions. Start motor enabled. Set to location mode and select absolute position mode. Set the relevant parameters of the trapezoidal acceleration and deceleration curve below. Acceleration is set to 1/2000. The deceleration is set to 10,000. The startup speed is set to 0. The running speed is set to 15,100 microsteps press. The operating coordinates are set to 512,000. Set start from 0 to 1. The motor will turn 10 times. Position mode runs in the middle 1. When the motor runs to the set coordinates, position arrival sign set 1, the command position changes to 512,000. The relative position pattern is demonstrated below, is set to relative position mode. The number of running steps is set to -511,000. Set start from 0 to 1 again. The motor started running. The motor will run 51,000 in the negative direction. After the end of the run, the current coordinate is 0. Location arrives at sign position 1. The speed mode is demonstrated below, is set to speed mode. The direction of movement is set to 0. Set start to 0 and then set it to 1. The motor starts running. Direction of movement, sign position 0. Velocity mode in operation marker position 1. When the speed reaches the set speed, the speed reaches the sign position 1. Set stop to 1. The motor stops. The jog mode is demonstrated below. The direction of movement is set to 1. Set to 1. The motor is started running. Direction of movement, sign position 1. Velocity mode in operation marker position 1. When the speed reaches the set speed, speed reaches the marker position 1. Set jog to 0. The motor stopped. The 0 back mode is then introduced. Zero back mode set to 24. The zeroing speed is set to 1/400. The 0 back approach speed is set to 5/100. Set home from 0 to 1. The motor began to run. Position 1 of the flag in the return to 0. When the origin is reached, origin signal sign position 1. When the smooth return to 0, the module automatically clears the coordinates. Returning to 0 completes the mark position 1. That's our demo video. Thank you all for watching.